Aloha there. Welcome to your day 7 and your protocol day 3. Today is your last day. Congratulations. Tell us about what you liked. What did you like about the first 7 days of the serious cleanse? What was a stretch for you? What are you committing to do for yourself? Let us know on the Facebook group. I have to say, I've been reading all the comments, and so far you're doing great. Now, today's the last day, so keep your commitment strong. I'm so proud of you that I'm still offering that special discount on the 30-day Serious Cleanse Challenge. But it goes away tomorrow. Now, today is jam-packed with potent information and essential solutions, just like the whole week has been. I cover the last 3 categories of toxins. I share with you how synthetic fragrances are dangerous. I talk about how we're bombarded by a harmful cocktail of chemicals, including carcinogens, respiratory irritants, endocrine disruptors, neurotoxic chemicals, and environmental toxins. And don't worry, I talk about what to do about it. I also tell you about the 4 worst chemicals to avoid when choosing home care products, and how what we put on the skin acts as a delivery system to deliver medicine or poison straight into our bloodstream, and how to use that to our advantage. How certain products can stimulate breast cancer, which ones to avoid, and if you're one of the millions of people who have used conventional deodorants, I show you exactly how to detox your body and your armpits, and women, your breasts, from toxic deodorant use. I talk about how hair dye has been linked to acute leukemia, bladder cancer, breast and blood cancer, and the 5 big, fat, toxic secrets that the aviation industry doesn't want you to know about, and what you can do. Remember, in the Serious Cleanse, we learn about toxins, we cleanse them, we track our progress, and we prevent toxins from entering our body in the first place. Speaking of barometers to track your progress, today you get to use one of our awesome barometers, the post-cleanse check-in, so you can document your progress. Just fill it out and compare it to what you did in the pre-cleanse check-in. The 3 other barometers that I've provided for you this week are the hair and heavy metals test. Now, if you sent that away, you should have your results by now. And after your 30-day Serious Cleanse Challenge, you can retest again so you can really get a baseline and track your progress. The 3rd barometer I gave you this week is taught you about how to look at your tongue and how that's a great barometer of toxins. You also received your Assess Your Toxic Burden quiz. Boy, this week was jam-packed, full of learning, cleansing, tracking our progress, and preventing the toxins from entering in the first place. Go ahead and share with the group which barometers you used and your results. Enjoy the lesson today and your day 3 of the Serious Cleanse protocol. And remember, my offer expires tomorrow. Enjoy and aloha.